How do you sharpen an improvised axe? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your improvised axe needs a little TLC? Knowing how to sharpen it can make all the difference in a survival scenario. Let's break down the steps to get that blade back in shape. First, you need to secure the axe. Stability is key. You can clamp the axe head to a sturdy surface or wedge it between rocks or logs. This will keep it from moving while you work on it. Next, clean the axe head. Use a wire brush, cloth, or even some abrasive natural materials to remove dirt, rust, or debris. A clean blade is essential for effective sharpening. Now let's talk about sharpening tools. In a survival situation, you might not have access to traditional tools like files or grinders. Instead, look for natural sharpening stones near rivers or streams. These stones should have a gritty texture. Avoid stones that are too smooth or too coarse. If you can't find a stone, rough concrete or sandstone can work as alternatives. When you have your sharpening tool ready, hold it firmly and rub it against the axe blade at an angle of about 20 to 30 degrees. This angle helps balance sharpness and durability. Move the stone in consistent, smooth strokes along the edge, keeping that angle steady. Start with one side of the blade, filing until you notice a burr forming on the opposite side. Once you have worked on one side, flip the axe and repeat the process on the other side. Continue alternating sides until the blade is sharp enough to shave wood or cut cleanly. If you have access to finer grit stones or a leather strop, use these to hone and polish the edge. This step removes any remaining burrs and makes the blade razor sharp. A sharp edge improves cutting efficiency and safety. After sharpening, wipe the blade clean and, if you have it, apply a thin layer of oil or grease. This helps prevent rust and keeps the edge sharp longer, especially in outdoor conditions. Safety is important too. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection if you can. Work slowly and deliberately, controlling the blade's movement. Make sure the axe is stable and your hands are dry to avoid slipping. A sharp improvised axe is essential for building shelter, processing firewood, preparing food, and even self-defense. Keeping the axe sharp reduces physical effort and minimizes the risk of accidents. So, sharpening an improvised axe involves securing the tool, cleaning it, using natural materials to file the edge at the right angle, honing the blade if possible, and protecting it from rust. These steps ensure your improvised axe remains functional and reliable for all your survival needs.